So in your computer, this is the control key, this is the shift key, and this is the percentage. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the format in this Microsoft Excel to percentage. So this video we discuss a keyboard shortcut to apply percent format in this Excel. For doing this, you must press these three keys at the same time. That is the control key. One of your finger is in this control key, another is in this shift key, and another is in this percentage key. So if you press these three keys at the same time, and suppose in this cell I am going to type a digit 5, so you can see that it become 5% here. So if you look at the ohm in this normal cases, then you can see that here it is general, and you can simply take the percentage from here, or you can try this method, that is control shift and this percentage, pressing these three buttons at the same time. This also, here comes the percentage, and I'm going to type a digit 45 in this cell, then it will become 45%. For more videos you can subscribe.